If you need to change your Namecheap password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your account password quickly and securely. Whether you're changing it for safety because you forgot the old one, or just want to keep your account protected, this tutorial will make it easy to follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you'll never miss another useful guide. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Open your browser, go to the Namecheap website, and sign in with your current credentials. Once you're inside your account dashboard, you'll be able to access your profile and security settings. Now look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Profile. This is where Namecheap keeps your account details and personal settings, so it's the first place you need to go before making any password changes. After that, click Security. This section contains the options related to keeping your account safe, including your password and other security features. Inside the Security menu, find the Password section and click Edit next to Password. This will open the form where you can update your login password. Now enter your new password in the New Password field. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you haven't used before. Then confirm the new password by entering it again in the Confirm Password field. This step is important because it helps make sure you type the password correctly. Next, you'll need to enter that same password again in the Namecheap password box if prompted. This is usually done for verification, so Namecheap knows you're the one making the change. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Save Changes. Namecheap will process the update and your password will be changed right away. After that, it's a good idea to sign out and sign back in with your new password, just to confirm everything is working properly. That way, you can be sure the change was successful and your account is secure. And that's it. You've now changed your Namecheap password in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.